Hey, what's up guys? So here are 10 new applications that you should definitely try because they provide amazing features. The features provided by these apps will increase your efficiency and change the way you use your phone. So without any further delay, let's get on to the apps. The next app on this list is Hermit. So Hermit replaces app with lighter versions of it. So you can replace your Facebook, Twitter, Reddit and other apps with a lighter version that does not run in background, does not collect any data and save your battery. The concept here is very simple. Hermit loads the web version of the app. It looks and feels very similar to the official app because most mobile websites are designed this way. For Facebook, there are minor differences and same goes for other applications. This app also adds a shortcut of its app in the home screen so that you can directly load that app. So it makes it seem like there is a different app installed on your phone, but in reality it's just a link to a web page. And there's also options to remove ads, pop-ups, and these apps are very tiny, only about 2 megabytes each. So you definitely need to try this one, and once you do, you will regret why you didn't know about this earlier. The next app on this list is Swifly Switch. So this is an application switcher which appears with a right swipe from the edge of the screen. And the list here is a list of recent apps, and after that you have additional 4 commands that you can assign to do certain actions. So swiping up brings a list of user-defined apps for quicker access. Swiping down brings down notification. Swiping to the right acts as a back button, and swiping to the top right takes you to home. And of course, all of these are default values and you can change the action for each of these commands here. So what makes this app great is that you have access to a lot of different commands using a single swipe. And once you have know how to trigger them and configure it for your best uses, you will be able to do stuff much faster in your phone. Next up on this list is Noon Pacific. So Noon Pacific is a great way to discover new music. Every week a new playlist gets added, and these playlists are handpicked by a team of music lovers. There are already 200 playlists and new ones get added every week. And the music here is very different from what we have in top charts. So definitely need to try this one. You will find opening this app when you are in a dilemma of which song you want to listen to. This will be the place you want to go. So just try this one, you won't be disappointed. So the next app on this list is SKWRT. So this one will add a professional touch to your pictures with perspective and lens correction tools, which will fix issues caused by not capturing photos from a proper angle. So using this app is slightly complicated. Fortunately, there's a small tutorial which teaches us how to use it. And all the tools here fixes the error in composition. You will be amazed how much you can accomplish using this app. And along with SKWRT, the developer has 2 more additional apps that differ slightly but allows you to create amazing pictures using patterns. So try this one first, and if it's something that you like, then definitely try other 2 apps. You can do a lot more using this app and you will find using them for every photo you edit from now. So the next app here is Wallz. So it's a wallpaper app, and why you should consider this app is because of the sources where it gets its wallpaper from. So it gets its wallpaper from Flickr, 500px, Pixelbay and other websites that has amazing wallpapers. And as all wallpaper apps, this one is also divided into categories with options to let you search. From the settings, you can also set the minimum quality of wallpaper. You can just set the resolution of your screen here and you will get higher quality wallpapers for your phone. So I usually find some great wallpapers just by using this app. I just browse them for a minute and I end up with a good wallpaper. The next app here is TextPand. So the idea behind this app is to assign shortcuts to some text which you type a lot. For example, while typing, if I need to enter my email address, I can save it under email keyword and the list will appear whenever I type email. It makes typing a lot easier and you will not make any mistakes when handing out your emails to anyone. And the same can be applied to other type of text too: address, custom replies, emojis, anything you can type. You can easily save one to this list. You just need to press this button add the keyword and add the actual text. You can also add multiple items under the same keyword. So under email you can have multiple email addresses, but to use this feature you need to have the pro version of this app. So that's all about this app. This app can improve your typing speed as you get used to it and add more words. The next app here is Mimicker Alarm. So it's a simple alarm app with a unique game that you need to complete before you can turn the alarm off. As you can see, the point here is to make your brain think for a while so that it's less likely for you to snooze the alarm and go back to sleep. So whenever you set an alarm, you can choose which types of game you want to play when the alarm rings. All of these games are small and simple games which you can finish in a minute or two. Apart from that, it has all the features that you would expect in any alarm app. Next, we have got Inputting Plus. So Inputting Plus enables undo, redo, and find and replace in any Android phone. So you just need to install this app and enable it. Then whatever you type is saved in its history, which you can use to undo or redo as you type. So when you start typing, a notification will appear, or you can opt for a bubble instead of that notification, and pressing it will open a small window with the history of the option to redo and undo along with find and replace. So you can view all the history that you have typed and you can then use them accordingly. So the next app here is Swipes. So Swipes is a to-do list app which uses swipes all across its UI. The main screen here has three parts: now, done, and later, which you can switch using swipes. And for each task you add, you can mark it as done or mark it for later using swipes. And for each task you can also add additional information about it. And swiping any task for later will ask you when you want to be reminded again with a bunch of options. And if you use Evernote, you will definitely like this one because it integrates very well with Evernote. It will automatically pull all the tasks from the notes of Evernote into swipes. And the widget provided here allows you to add tasks quickly and also change the state of any task right from the widget. So overall, it does what most good to-do list app does with a great UI and gestures. So next is Open Link With. So sometimes you have got a link of a YouTube video and when you click it, it opens in browser rather than opening in a YouTube app. That's where this app comes in. So you can long press that link and you can share it using Open Link With. So then this app will let you choose between appropriate apps. So same can happen for other apps and file types too. So I recommend installing this app and eventually you will find a use for this app. So that's basically the main point about this app, allowing you to direct links to the specific app. So that's all about this video, guys. Hope you found some great apps for yourself, and to check out our other videos related to customization, wallpapers. If you haven't already and you are interested in Android, just subscribe to our channel. You won't be disappointed. So that's it. See you next time.